What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Tay, and I'm back on the camera with another video. And today, of course, is Valentine's Day look. I did fill in my brows off camera, and I'm just going to show y'all what I came up with. I saw a picture on Pinterest, and then I saw a few other ideas, and I just came up with something I recreated. Make sure y'all go ahead and smash that like button, give this video a big thumbs up. Doing so helps me to know that you guys are liking the videos and you want to see more of it. But with y'all help, y'all will keep me encouraged and motivated to keep on posting, because I know that you guys are actually liking it or getting something out of them. So even if you don't comment, please like the videos. I can see that you guys are rocking with it, and I'll keep these videos coming for y'all. Like moment right now. I am getting ready for work. My eyes are so hooded that they're creasing my makeup, so I had to put more shiny stuff. But I gotta clean this back up with concealer, and yeah. But I want to show you my final look before I get ready and go head out the door for work. So give me 2 seconds. Y'all, this is the final look. Don't mind my hair. If you see any creasing here, it's because I have hooded eyes, so that happens. I try to set as best as I can, and my lip is not completely done either, so I have to do that at Sephora. But y'all had to see the end of this look. I could have just shared with Instagram, so make sure y'all follow me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.